If you want to create a QR code for SurveyMonkey, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest way to turn your survey link into a scannable code that you can share anywhere. This is a great option if you want more people to access your survey from flyers, posters, emails, presentations, social media, or even printed handouts. And the best part is, it only takes a few minutes. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and open the survey you want to share. If you already have your survey created, simply sign in and locate it from your dashboard. Once the survey is open, look for the publishing or sharing options. In SurveyMonkey, this is where you'll manage how people can access your survey and generate a link that can be shared outside the platform. Next, click on the option to publish your survey. This step is important because SurveyMonkey needs to create a live survey link before you can turn it into a QR code. After you publish it, you'll see the survey collection or sharing page. From here, copy the survey link. This is the direct URL that people will use to open your survey in a browser. Now that you have your survey link, the next step is to go to a QR code generator website. For example, you can use a tool like me-qr.com or any trusted QR code generator of your choice. The process will be very similar no matter which platform you use. Once the site loads, find the section that lets you create a QR code from a URL. Paste your SurveyMonkey survey link into the QR code generator. Make sure you paste the full link exactly as it appears, because even a small mistake can cause the QR code to lead to the wrong page or not work properly. After pasting the link, the generator will usually create the QR code automatically, or you may need to click a generate button. Either way, the QR code will appear on the screen within seconds. At this point, take a moment to review the QR code and make sure it is linked to the correct survey. If the generator gives you customization options, you can also adjust things like color, size, or adding a logo, depending on how professional you want it to look. Just be careful not to over-customize it, because you still want the QR code to scan easily on phones and tablets. Once the QR code is generated, download it to your device. You can then place it wherever you need it, whether that's on a poster, business card, classroom handout, product insert, or digital presentation. This makes it much easier for people to scan and respond to your survey without typing in a long web address. And that's it. You've now created a QR code for your SurveyMonkey survey. It's a simple but powerful way to boost responses and make your survey more accessible to your audience. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.